man. FishyBoyz, FishyBoy Goob here, man. We're here at the local lake. We about to get some biggins. About to be a banger for y'all for sure. Out here catching 5-pounders. We're already calling it out. We on the little boat today. Then we got the troller. We good, man. We out here though, about to make a real banger. I'll put y'all on my chest real quick. About to get it on, man. For sure, like and subscribe, man. You already know. More videos coming soon. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I'm working with a swim jig. Look how nice that is, so. Woo! Goob got a swim jig on. Nice. You think we should get closer?
Hell yeah.
First cast. It ain't windy too, bruh. It ain't windy or nothing, really. Ooh.
Hey, nice. You deserve this,
Bird. That one. Oh, that one. That's a big one.
You recording too?
Yeah.
Good shit, boy.
Get him again. Hell yeah, nah, he cool size.
Nah, that's cool for sure. For the first one?
Yeah.
Good shit, bro. Where was you at? You was inside or on the edge?
On the edge.
Good shit, bro.
Good one right there, man. First one. It's a cool pound and a half,
You
maybe.
going to swim in it?
Yeah, just swimming the jig.
Slowly?
Swim jig, got it. Nice one right there, baby. Release. Oh, you damn. 11 minutes fishing, baby. It's been only 11 minutes. Put in there. Switched up. Hey, what is this hook called?
I forget.
I don't know, but I got a bandito on
Little weighted hook.
with a weighted hook. Let's see what we get on. We caught one so far. So we caught one so far. Been here for like 2.5 hours. It's been a tough one. All these weeds in the way. Try to go frogging, swim jig, Texas rig, all that. But I'm about to throw on this chatterbait. Let's see what we working with. We got like 2-3 more hours to go till the sun go down. Man, let's see. It's deep over here.
I need it, babe. Hey, I need it, babe.
You got it, bro. Yeah. Got a cool one, man. Finally, shit.
Fuck, bro.
You caught it too. You was swimming it?
Hell yeah. I threw him back there. I ain't even swimming yet. That was beautiful.
He was, not gonna lie.
For another thing, bro, turning down. 3 right now, bro.
Damn, bro. I think I'm gonna go swim jig, bro.
Whatever I did, I just started doing it. I always, you could have went late, got her in.
Ooh. Yeah.
Was you under on top?
Top. Damn, huh?
Oh, my fault, bro.
Yeah. Frog time?
Hot water. Yeah, I'm about to say, I might fuck around with the frog, huh? Yeah, hold on, I'm going nowhere, bro. Get him.
Oh shit. Oh, get him out of there. Yo, drag on? Is it?
It ain't that tight, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Hey, get the net. Hey, get the net.
Another one, boy. Another one. Was that top water?
Yep. They didn't even know what it was. They're moving.
Top. Time to go to a frog. My trailer gone anyway. Oh yeah, that's sun.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, I need it.
Oh, we gotta get back over there. Did you see him come up the water? I didn't even hear nothing, bruh.
Because he did it the first time, bro. The second one, he came and got it real quick though. And I felt him going there and I pulled up. And I can tell if I had him or the weeds, bro. And I kept pulling, I said, he's killing it here. Yeah.
Fix your drag, bruh, cause that shit, you wasn't even reeling them in, tying it. Over.
Bro, big cover, bro. All of that, bro.
What was that? Oh, got one. Got one. Get over here. Gotta hog him. Gotta hog him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a big one.
Damn, bro, why the fuck you get a big one, bro?
Biggest one of the day. Let's go. I got you. Right where you want to hook him too. Top of that.
Where was you at? You was in the open? Oh, fuck. He was in the open or the cover?
That's a good one. At least 2, 2.5, 3. That's why I was like, what's that noise, bro? For the release.
Hey, I'm liking that. A lot.
Yeah, it was like right.
You put him from hella far too.
Hella far. Cause you heard it, right? It popped.
Yeah.
That's why I looked up. I didn't even know. Oh, I think something hit me. There you go. Oh, come on.
You got him?
Yep. He good. I got it.
Buzz, bro. That boy said back to back.
That's a good one. We can take them now. I was back to back, huh? Maybe we should have been over here.
Perfect time too.
I got some spots over here too.
That's crazy.
I keep losing my hand when I reel.
For real?
Yeah, cause I be trying to reel hella fast.
I'm about to turn my shit down some more, bro. Ain't going for it, man, right now. There we go.
Go, got it. Another one.
Bro,
Oh, come on, you in there, bitch. Come on. Get out of there. That's that brain work.
bro, that's 3 back to back.
Get over here, boy.
That's crazy.
Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, he's a big one.
That dude, bro,
It's like the biggest one right here.
probably at least like 3.
Ooh. Good size one right here.
What's that, fuck today?
Okay, good sized bass. And a frog. My bad. my bad.
I got in my ear,
You just gotta be them perfect spots, bro. You'll get them, bro.
That's crazy.
Bro, we should have been here, bro. Look at this nice ass spots, bro.
Man, niggas, I want to go home.
For real.
Oh, everything, bro.
Out of there.
I would have been lost in that. That's my brain.
Let's see.
Got a 4-quarter, let me see if the jig want to do.
Oh, got one.
That's not a big.
Oh. Yeah.
Holy cool size. I ain't gonna lie.
Nice one right here. Oh man, nice one. It's like my 4th, 5th fish right here. Release.
What
So pull this side. On this side.
You got my line?
Yeah, I got. Alright, y'all. Man, we did it, man. Try to give y'all a banger. I mean, this time, you feel me? We caught some blow ups. G caught 2. I caught like 4 or 5 of them. It's all good, man. We out here. We was out here for like 6, 8 hours almost. But man, it was a good day. At least we didn't skunk or nothing. But like, subscribe on this video, man. Subscribe to the FishyBoy gang. FishyBoyz, FishyBoy Goob. We out, man. Yo. Yes, sir.